going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and you can see I have Bambi here going up on a lift to get up onto the dyno. That is right, you read the title and thumbnail right. We're gonna be talking about how much horsepower a stock 392 Scatpack Widebody makes. All right, now this is a 2020 Widebody. This is not my car, you guys. Again, I keep having to say that. This is my girl car. But we're getting some stuff done today, man. And of course, it has to go on the dyno, you guys, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, everything 1320 happens right here. I'm here on an off day. They're cleaning out the space. I'm gonna show you what they got. I may take a supercharger home, who knows, right? But outside of that, make sure you hit that subscription. Let's get on the dyno and see what's going on. Let's go. All right, you guys, I already know the answer to what stock 392s make. It is a range based on conditions, miles on the car, all sorts of things, right? I've seen them make anywhere from 390 to 420. That's a pretty wide range, but again, conditions, year, make, model, has the car been beaten on, all types of stuff comes into play. Yes, I am at my shop, Mass Acceleration. If you don't know what that is, Google them. They make the fastest MOPARs out of the East Coast, you guys. You can see G, you call him, just call him after G. That's bottom line. But outside of that, I'm gonna show you around, let you see what they have in the shop right now, what they're working on. And then of course, when they start hooking up the Scatpack here, we'll get on video as well. Let's go.
The shock and then one outside the shock, so they both end up.
Oh, you doing that?
Yeah, both end up outside, but with this one on the outside, the one square kind of deals, so that when you hook the chain up to it, it kind of pulls them both out this way. And then this one goes to the back, and this one goes to the car, to the side. Cool.
You can see it getting hooked up here, slowly but surely.
Outside the shock, but then you use the cross strap on this one, so it pulls it in. Yep. And then the other one doesn't fucking.
Closer and closer. All right, you guys, we have the fan set. We got it strapped up. We are gonna have to move it a little bit over on this side to get more of the tire on the left driver's side on. But other than that, man, we're pretty much ready to go. We're gonna get the computer ready. G is one hell of a manager. You can see, getting it all set up. You'll be able to see it here. And we're gonna get ready to go. 421.
421, yay.
Okay.
Picked up now.
Okay. Picked up horsepower.
We got some nice.
Yeah, it's loud. I'm gonna say 418. Wow. Huh. $425, you guys. Third run, the most, 425 horsepower to the wheel. I owe G some money. Well, lunch. I was wrong. Shout out to my girl car. It did well, man. Better than I expected. But now you guys know how much a stock Scatpack makes to the wheels. Use the information wisely. And there you have it, guys. 3 runs, 420, 421, and 425, you guys. Not bad for a 3-year-old Scatpack. And I was talking with G. Some of the new ones are even touching 430. And this is stock, which is pretty nice to have as a daily driven car, right? So for all of you who wanted to know how much a stock horsepower or how much horsepower a stock Scatpack made, you guys now saw it. Again, it's 90 degrees outside. Could we pull a little bit more out of it? Probably, but it doesn't matter because it's stock. Now, when you start marrying parts together to tune it and get some more horsepower out of it, I cannot talk, it's hot. Yeah. Not too bad, right? But outside of that, we're done, man. I'm about to head home. I'm hot, I'm tired. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot coming to the channel, man. This is just a taste. I'm up in max acceleration again. You guys know when I'm here, I'm always doing something. But decided to put my girl's car on the dyno, get some stuff done. That's a wrap, guys. Tune into the next video. Tune into some old videos, and we are out.